Yeah, g'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan Services. Today, currently, we are installing a few electrical items. What we've currently done is we've ripped out his old battery system, which had about 7 12-volt batteries that were measuring at 20 amps per battery. So we've ripped all them out because they were totally dead, and we've put 2 new AGMs 120 ampere hour batteries in there. So at the moment, just installed those 2 batteries. We've just installed a new Victron 240 volt charger, and we're also installing a battery monitor as well, which will come somewhere down here to replace this old one. So with the battery monitor, what this thing will do is it will tell you how much your batteries, or the voltage that it's showing. It will also tell you the amps that's getting withdrawn from the battery, and it can also tell you how many amps is going into the battery. So that includes, like, when you're plugged into 240, I'm going to tell you what your charger's inputting in the battery. It can also tell you from your solar, when you hook your solar panel up, it'll tell you how many amps is going back in the batteries. And basically when you have all your lights on, it will tell you how many amps is coming out of the battery, basically. So a very good device to have in your van to try and keep an eye on your battery levels and to keep an eye on what's getting sucked out and what's going in, basically. So if you have any questions in relation to that, just give us a call or send us a text. But yeah, we can definitely fit one of these for you if you ever decide to go down that road. Thanks.